Hey guys, it's Coach Tony Morgan again, and we're out with Waseem on his journey to becoming a Masterful Engineer. So we're off to another job today. I'm going to a boiler service. Now, in his training, what he's been doing in the reality classroom training, we've been looking at his processes and procedures. As part of that, we make a phone call to the customer that we're on our way, which we've done. We know what boiler we're working on. We're working on a Worcester, with Worcester 37 CDI. So what we also got is a service checklist, what we go through as our standard operational procedure. So Waseem's just going to go through what they are, he's got his list, and then when he gets to the job, he knows what he's going to be doing and carry out them processes. That was him.
Okay, so first of all, we'll be asking the customer if there's any problems with the boiler. If there are any problems, we'll say to the customer that the office will quote you separately for the repair, and then continue the service. We will turn off the boiler and do our electrical safety test. We'll check the fuse at the spur, make sure it's 3 amp. We'll carry out a visual inspection of the appliance, including the flue. List any other additional appliances in the property and carry out a visual inspection. We'll carry out a tightness test at the gas meter. We'll check the working pressure on the gas meter and gas rate the appliance. We'll carry out a visual inspection of the gas meter and check if earth bonding. Check if it's earth bonded. We'll then remove boiler casing. Check the system pressure gauge. Check the expansion vessel. Repressurize if necessary. We'll check the PRV is not leaking outside. We'll run the boiler in heating mode to remove any air from the boiler. We'll then put the boiler into engineering mode if possible. If not, we'll run in hot water mode. Check the working pressure at the inlet of the gas valve. Check the burner pressure on the outlet of the gas valve if applicable. We'll check the flame safety device by turning off the gas inlet valve under the boiler whilst the appliance is in operation. We'll reset the boiler, check the condense trap and clean out if necessary. Carry out a flue gas analysis. Set the appliance to maximum, adjust if necessary, and set to minimum and adjust if necessary. We'll refer to the manufacturer's instructions for technical data. Check the hot water and central heating thermostat knobs are set on 80% output. We'll check the central heating external controls are working. We'll check the water is hot enough, is working and is hot enough. Then we'll complete our paperwork. CommuSoft is fully completed and signed by the customer. And then we'll always ask a customer for a Google review.
That's it. Excellent. So that's the processes what we're going to go through, and this is why we do our training to this standard and quality, because as I said, Waseem wants to be a Masterful Engineer. He's taking a path through the A&R model of success. So if you are someone looking to change your career like Waseem has, you're just going to see what he's going to go through, and hopefully it'll help you to make that decision and to follow his footsteps. So when we get to the job, we'll carry on the processes and you'll see how we get on.